Want to earn $500 a month with cryptocurrency? These 5 crypto side hustles can help you start earning now. And guess what? Number 4 is a game changer for beginners. In today's video, we'll dive into the growing world of cryptocurrency and explore 5 exciting side hustles that can help you generate passive income. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting, these methods offer great opportunities to boost your earnings. Let's jump right in. Crypto side hustle number 1. Staking. First up, we have staking. But what exactly is staking? Simply put, staking involves holding a certain amount of a particular cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return for this support, you earn rewards in the form of additional coins. Staking is a fantastic way to earn passive income because it allows you to put your crypto assets to work. Instead of just letting them sit in your wallet, you can stake them and earn rewards regularly. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies for staking include Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot, DOT. To get started, you'll need to choose a staking platform or wallet that supports the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Some platforms even offer auto-staking features, which automatically reinvest your rewards to maximize your earnings. Remember, the key to successful staking is to stay informed about the staking requirements and any potential lockup periods. It's a relatively low-effort way to generate income and a great entry point for beginners in the crypto space. Crypto side hustle number 2, yield farming. Next, let's talk about yield farming. Yield farming is a concept that emerged from the world of DeFi, or decentralized finance. It involves lending or staking your cryptocurrency assets in DeFi protocols to earn returns, often in the form of additional cryptocurrency tokens. Platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Aave are popular choices for yield farming. These platforms allow you to provide liquidity to various trading pairs or lending pools. In return, you earn interest or a share of the transaction fees generated by the platform. Yield farming can be highly lucrative, but it does come with risks. The value of the tokens you earn can fluctuate, and there is always the possibility of smart contract bugs or vulnerabilities. To minimize risks, diversify your investments across different platforms and trading pairs. Keep an eye on the annual percentage yield, APY rates, and choose those with a track record of stability. With proper research and risk management, yield farming can be an excellent way to boost your passive income. Crypto side hustle number 3, running a masternode. Have you ever heard of masternodes? Running a masternode is another exciting way to earn passive income in the cryptocurrency world. A masternode is a server that performs specific functions within a blockchain network, such as validating transactions, securing the network, and enabling advanced features like instant transactions and private transactions. To run a masternode, you typically need to hold a certain amount of the network's cryptocurrency as collateral. For example, Dash and PIVX are well-known cryptocurrencies that use masternodes. In return for your service and the collateral you provide, you receive regular rewards in the form of additional coins. Setting up a masternode requires some technical knowledge, but there are plenty of resources and guides available to help you get started. Once set up, a masternode can provide a steady stream of passive income, making it a worthwhile investment for those willing to put in the effort. Additionally, participating in masternode communities can offer valuable insights and support, ensuring you stay updated on network upgrades and optimization strategies. Before we dive further, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for financial freedom. Let's continue. Crypto side hustle number 4, crypto lending. Now, here's the game changer for beginners, crypto lending. Crypto lending involves lending your cryptocurrency to others through lending platforms in exchange for interest payments. It's a simple and effective way to earn passive income without having to sell your assets. Platforms like BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Nexo offer attractive interest rates for lending your crypto. The process is straightforward. You deposit your cryptocurrency into a lending platform, and they lend it out to borrowers. In return, you earn interest on your deposits, typically paid out weekly or monthly. Crypto lending is particularly appealing because it allows you to earn passive income while retaining ownership of your crypto assets. It's a low-maintenance side hustle that can provide consistent returns, especially if you're holding onto your cryptocurrency for the long term. To maximize your earnings, consider lending stablecoins, which are less volatile than traditional cryptocurrencies. Always check the platform's security measures and insurance policies to protect your investments. Crypto side hustle number 5, NFT creation and trading. Last but not least, let's explore the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs have taken the crypto world by storm, offering a new way to create, buy, and sell digital assets. NFTs can represent anything from digital art and collectibles to virtual real estate and in-game items. Creating and trading NFTs can be highly lucrative, especially if you have a knack for digital art or unique digital creations. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation allow artists and creators to mint and sell their NFTs to a global audience. The process of creating an NFT is relatively simple. You create a digital file, upload it to a platform, and mint it as an NFT. Once your NFT is listed, potential buyers can bid on it or purchase it outright. Successful NFT projects have sold for thousands, even millions, of dollars, making it a potentially high-reward side hustle. NFT trading is not without its risks, as the market can be volatile and subject to trends. However, for those with a creative flair and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, NFTs offer a unique and exciting way to earn income in the crypto space. Joining NFT communities and participating in virtual events can increase your visibility and help you stay on top of the latest trends. And there you have it, folks. These are the 5 crypto side hustles that can help you earn passive income and potentially bring in $500 or more each month. Let's quickly recap. Staking. Earn rewards by supporting blockchain networks with your crypto holdings. Yield farming. Provide liquidity or lend assets in DeFi protocols for returns. Running a Masternode. Operate a server within a blockchain network for regular rewards. Crypto lending. Lend your crypto through platforms for interest payments. NFT creation and trading. Create and sell unique digital assets on NFT marketplaces. Each of these side hustles has its unique benefits and risks, so be sure to do your research and choose the ones that align best with your interests and risk tolerance. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these crypto side hustles? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.